Hello, today you are all here at my channel Krishi Somani. I am here to tell you about lesson number 5, Animals and Plants. This chapter is very important in term or in your final exams. You know, this chapter is based on animals and plants. As you all know, animals and plants are living organisms. Let's continue. About animals. Animals are classified into two types, have a backbone or not have a backbone. As you see, आपको तो अभी आपकी टीचर्स लोगों ने पढ़ाया होगा कि एनिमल्स 5 टाइप्स के होते हैं. In first to fourth you have learned this. But now we are going to learn about different categories that animals having backbone, not having backbone. So shall we continue? Yes. First we are going to see about animals that have backbone. So let's continue. Here is one activity. Tell me the names of animals which have backbone. Anyone knows? Yes, you're absolutely right. Mammals, birds, reptiles and amphibians. Let's continue. Mammals. Our main heading is today mammals. What is mammals? Animals that give birth to babies are called mammals. For example, wolves, cat, dolphin, polar bears are land mammal. Features of mammal. Any guesses? Yes. Give birth to babies. Feed their babies with milk. Maintain a correct body temperature. Let's continue. What you understand? Mammals are like human being only. As we give birth to babies, we feed our babies with milk and we also maintain a correct body temperature. How? See, if you have seen a cow, when it's raining a lot, cow automatically go to the shelter. This is because the cow is warm-blooded animal, so they also have the sense of body temperature. So shall we continue? So now our main heading is birds. What are birds? You all know birds are animals that fly, so directly we will jump towards the examples. Examples are sparrow, parakeet, parrot and etc. There are many birds. So shall we continue? Birds, as I already tell you, example sparrow, parakeet, parrot. Features of birds. Any guesses? Any guesses? Yes. Birds lay eggs and hatch them. Birds lay eggs and hatch them. They have beak instead of teeth. Like we human beings are having teeth, but they are having beak. Wings help them to fly. उड़ने के लिए उनके पास wings होते हैं. They have hollow bones that also help them to fly. Let's continue. Reptiles. Reptiles are animals that crawl are called reptiles. They have a hard, tough scales and shell that cover their body. Reptiles are the animals that crawl. They have a hard shell or tough scales that cover their body. Let's continue. Examples you all know. Crocodile, snakes, alligator. They reproduce by laying eggs. But now one fun fact or tricky to know. Tortoise walk slowly on land, but turtle walk faster in water. So fact wise, the body temperature of reptile change due to the surrounding temperature of outside. See, you have seen a snake in desert too, because snake has an adaptation that he could be there in every types of conditions. So this is how the reptiles are important in their changing surrounding temperature. They also need to find a shade to cool like humans. If we get heated up, we need to sit under a fan, but they can't have a fan. So they usually go under a tree to calm themselves. So shall we continue? Amphibians. Amphibians are the animals that lives on both land and water. For example, salamander, toads. Futures? Yes. Most of the amphibians have moist skinless skin. उनकी जो स्किन होती है वो बहुत चिपचिपी होती है. Frog uses its legs to hop in water and webbed feet to swim. But salamander regrow its limb. Salamander means big chipkali. You see, when chipkali comes under your bathroom, you try to attack it, but chipkali and its tail separated. Yes, the chipkali pain, but he regrew its limbs like salamander. So shall we continue? Fish lives in water and it breathes through gills. Futures of fish reproduce by laying thousands of eggs at a time. Ab, if you know that fish lays thousands of eggs, so why in pond there are not thousands of fish? Because the big fishes like shark, dolphin has eaten their eggs. So therefore there are very less fishes. Let's continue. The shape, they have a shape. They have a streamlined shape that allow them to easily float in water. Animals with backbone. अभी बोलो सुभमंगलम स्वाहा. अभी एनिमल्स जो भी आपने पढ़े उनका स्वाहा कर दो. अभी हम दूसरे तरह के एनिमल्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले. तो से एनिमल्स with backbone स्वाहा. Now we are going to learn about animals that did not have backbone. They are also classified into different types based on their features, such as सबके खुद के अलग अलग तरह टाइप्स होते हैं. लाइक in backbone we have learned mammals, birds, reptiles. So now we are going to learn about animals without backbone. First group is the largest group of animals that do not have backbones. Let's us see in next PPT. So as I already told you, we will learn the largest group in next PPT. So we have started our next PPT. Animals, their backbones have jointed leg. Means the largest group जो एनिमल्स है उनके जो बैकबोन होते हैं ना उन पे जॉइंटेड लेग रहते हैं. उनके तो कोई बैकबोन रहते नहीं है पर उनके बोन्स जो रहते हैं उस पर जॉइंटेड लेग्स रहते हैं. लाइक क्रैब हैव्स अ जॉइंटेड लेग. एज यू नो स्पाइडर्स उसके लेग्स वैसे ऐसे शेप के रहते हैं. स्कॉर्पियो उनके भी लेग्स पता है क्या ऐसे शेप के रहते हैं. सेंटीपेड्स उनके भी वैसे ही रहते हैं. So, उनके पास एक हार्ड शेल होता है जो कवर करता है उनकी बॉडी को. सो द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप इज स्नेल, काम, स्क्विड एंड ऑक्टोपस. उनके पास की जो बॉडी होती है ना वो बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट फ्लफी होती है लाइक कॉटन. वो वाटर के इनसाइड डीप अंदर ही अंदर पाए जाते हैं और वो भी शेल में इनसाइड द शेल. सो द नेक्स्ट ग्रुप इज अ स्टारफिश, sea urchin and a sea cucumber. What is starfish? You all know fish looks like a star which has spines. Sea urchin is only like that. Sea cucumber is also like that. Sea urchin is like a lotus that have so hollow bones. They have a spiny body. So the next group is of worm. They have thin tubes, no legs. Leeches. So this group contains of examples leeches, earthworm and etc. The next and the last group of this, that is sponges, lots of pores, hollow bones, freely move through the spaces of their body. Examples here anemones and jellyfish. So let's continue. अब बोलो सुभमंगलम स्वाहा of animals. अब हमारे हैं plants पे. अभी बैकबोन, नॉट हैव अ बैकबोन में इसकी कोई कनेक्टिविटी नहीं है. बस इन दोनों की एक ही इंटरकनेक्शनशिप थी जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पीपीटी में ही बता दी थी. दैट दे एंड लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। फिर मैंने एनिमल्स का स्टार्ट करा, अब मैं प्लांट्स पे आई। देयर आर मेनली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट। मेनली अभी हम लोग 2 ही तरह के प्लांट्स पढ़ने वाले हैं, दैट इज फ्लावरिंग, नॉन फ्लावरिंग। अब सबसे पहले नॉन फ्लावरिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं। प्लांट्स दैट डू नॉट प्रोड्यूस फ्लावर आर कॉल्ड नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स। प्लांट्स जो फ्लावर प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते उन्हें नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स बोलते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मॉसेस। Mosses are very small green flowerless plant. Mosses बहुत छोटी छोटी होती है, वो ग्रीन होती है बट फ्लावरलेस। They grow in shade and dampy areas. वो कहीं पे भी उग जाती है, like जंगली animals, but they are not jungly, okay? They looked green like a carpet on rocks and trees. Now the next group is fern, group of green plant. This fern is group of green plants. This fern has no seed, no flowers. Ferns की characteristic I am telling you. उसके पास कोई भी seeds नहीं होता और कोई भी flower नहीं होता. But उसके पास stems होती है, leaves होती है. वो mosses से बड़े होते हैं पर conifers से छोटे होते हैं. पर इससे आपको एक हिंट मिल गया है कि हम नेक्स्ट कोनिफर्स के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। वो भी मॉसेस जैसे ही होते हैं पर वो मॉइस्ट और शेडी प्लेसेस में ग्रो होते हैं और वो डेकोरेटिव प्लांट के भी यूज होते हैं। अब कोनिफर्स, अ टॉल कोन शेप्ड प्लांट, दे लुक्स रिजेंबल लाइक अ कोन, दे हैव अ निडल लाइक स्लीव्स लाइक माउंटेनियस रीजन प्लांट्स, they have needle like leaves, they have a cone beery scaly shape that contains reproductive part. When it bursts under the snow, when it bursts under the snow, this bursts and opens and the seed get dispersed. By this reproduce. So next is flowering plants. This flowering plants, अब बोलो नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स का स्वाहा। अभी हमको नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स और फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स को मिक्स ना करते हुए हम फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स को स्टार्ट करते हैं। अब फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स भी 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं, एक तो मोनोकॉट वाले और एक तो डाइकॉट वाले। अब मोनोकॉट यानी सिंगल सीड लीफ वाले। अब मोनोकॉट वाले जो होते हैं उनके वेनिशियस ऐसे होते हैं, स्ट्रेट वेनिशियस। पर जो डाइकॉट वाले होते हैं उनके वेनिशियस वन मेन वेन एंड अदर साइड वेन्स ऐसे रहते हैं और उनके पास डबल सीड लीव्स होती है, डबल सीड लीव्स। फॉर एग्जांपल मैंगो, नीम एंड सनफ्लावर। ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंगो, सीड, सनफ्लावर एक्सेट्रा। थैंक यू। नाउ I have explained you this lesson. Now it's my humble request to tell me So, by here we have finished our lesson. If you faced any difficulty in this lesson, please tell in comment and please like, subscribe and share it to your friends. Then they can learn very easily and they can score good in exam. Thank you.